this is Chef Chris Wallman of Forbes here in Wallace. We're back in the test kitchen today to do another episode of Behind the Line. And on today's episode, we're going to be covering Disco's Smart Tabs Concentrated Fryer Cleaner. Let's check it out. Smart Tabs is an eco-friendly, biodegradable cleaning solution for your fryer systems. Step 1. Drain the cooled fryer oil from the fryer tank. Strain the oil with the Disco Shortening filter paper. Check the link in the description below. Remove any large particulates or food that has been left over in the fryer pot, then close the drain valve. Step 2. Drop in the Smart Tab and fill the tank with water. Keep the water below the oil fill line so the water does not overflow during the boil out. The accessories such as the basket and screen base can be added back during the cleaning. Set the fryer to 220 degrees and let it boil for 15 minutes. Traditional fryer boil out products clean the inside surface of the fryer so that it appears clean to the naked eye. Stainless steel is not perfectly smooth. It has microscopic grooves which trap shortening and other debris, even after a traditional boil out. When heated, this residue combines with the fresh shortening and can shorten its life. Smart Tabs uses nanotechnology to deep clean and avoid this problem. The nanoparticles are small enough to deliver the cleaning agent into the microscopic grooves, thus ensuring a fully cleaned surface. Step 3. Drain the water into a bucket that can sustain the boil-out solution. Be careful of the high heat. Completely rinse the fryer and accessories with a vinegar and water solution of 1 cup vinegar to 1 gallon of water. Then wipe down all the surfaces with a clean towel to finish. Thanks for checking out this episode of Behind the Line featuring Disco Smart Tabs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks and have a great day.